above, above.
More than an amount or level.
It says on the box it's for children aged 3 and above. Rates of pay are above average.
Few, few.
Few. Few.
Some, or a small number of.
I'll be ready in a few minutes. I need to get a few things in town. We've been having a few problems with the new computer.
Quite a large number of.
I know quite a few people who've had the same problem. Badly. Badly. Bad, badly. Worse, worst.
In a way that is not acceptable or of good quality.
They played very badly in the first half of the match. The event was badly organized. Their children are extremely badly behaved.
Very much.
He needs the money very badly. They are badly in need of help.
Very seriously.
Badly damaged or hurt or injured.
Wow. Wow.
Used to show surprise, excitement, admiration, etc.
Wow, did you make that cake? It looks delicious. Pen friend. Pen friend.
Someone who you write to regularly but have never met.
When I was young, I had a pen friend in Jamaica.
Long, long.
Long. Long. Longing, long.
Describes a piece of writing which has a lot of pages or words.
A long letter or book or report.
For a long time.
I'm just writing a letter but it won't take long. How long have you been in England? Don't rush, take as long as you like.
Station, station.
A station. A station.
Station. Station.
A building where a bus starts or ends its journey.
The bus station is in the center of town.
Key. Key.
Key. Key.
A list of answers to an exercise or game.
See key to test 3 on page 176.
Rubber, rubber.
Rubber. Rubber.
A small object which is used to remove pencil marks from paper.
Do you have a rubber in your pencil case? Board game. Board game.
A game such as chess that is played on a board.
It rained all day so we played lots of board games.
License, license.
License. License.
An official document that allows you to do or have something.
A driving license. He lost his license for a year due to dangerous driving.
Exercise. Exercise.
Physical activity that you do to make your body strong and healthy.
You really should take more exercise. Swimming is my favorite form of exercise. I do stomach exercises most days.
A short piece of written work which you do to practice something you are learning.
The book has exercises at the end of every chapter. Thin. Thin. Thinner, thinnest.
Something that is thin is smaller than usual between its opposite sides.
A thin slice of meat. The walls are very thin. A thin jacket.
A thin person or animal has very little fat on their body.
She's too thin. Thin, hungry dogs roam the streets. Excuse. Excuse.
Used to say sorry for something that you do without intending to.
Oh, excuse me, did I take your seat? Neck. Neck.
The part of the body which joins the head to the shoulders.
He had the thickest neck I'd ever seen. She wore a gold chain around her neck.